Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the Facebook. In my previous video, also I spoke regarding Facebook a little bit. Now let me going to elaborate a little bit more about that. Facebook, it's like it's a digital platform and it's a digital showroom for you. So whatever your business, whatever your products and services, you have to advertise. You have to have your own page and Facebook page for your business. You can have a different pages for your different businesses also. Suppose if you are going to do your own branding, your own like celebrities, they are using their brands, they are using their individuality through the Facebooks and Instagram. A lot of social medias are helping them to show you to the public what are the talents they have got. So like that, in business also you are going to do the same, that what your products and services are going to beneficial to the customer. So that is why I always recommend that Facebook should have a proper business page for you to promote your products and services. Okay, please, thank you so much.